Okay, for this question, we need to first draw the normal distribution curve. So draw like that. And it says the mean is 2 centimeters. So it's 2 centimeters. And the standard deviation of 0.01 centimeter. And it says it's rejected if the diameter is greater than 2.01. So I'll just note that as 2.01. And also when the diameter is less than 1.97 centimeters. So what we need to do first is we need to determine the probability when the diameter is less than 1.97 and also the probability when the diameter is greater than 2.01. So I'm going to say that we need to determine what Z1 needs to be and also what Z, and let's just put a slash there, and what Z2 needs to be. So Z1 is going to be equal to x minus mu over standard deviation, which will be 1.97 minus 2 over 0.01, which will give us, and we'll plug that into the calculator, so that's 1.97 minus 2 equals, and divided by 0.01, which gives us a value of -3. And we'll look that up on, actually, you know what, before we do that, let's find the value of Z2. And likewise for Z2 will be equal to 2.01 minus 2 divided by 0.01. And this is pretty obvious, it'll give us a value of 1. So we'll bring up the Z charts, and we need to find the value where Z score is equal to -3.0. When it's -3.0, gives us a value of 0.0013. So that gives us, that means that area is going to be 0.0013. And let's look at the value when it's equal to 1. When it's equal to 1, 1.00 gives us 8413. So everything to the left of this point is 0.8413. Therefore, to find that shaded region, it's going to be 1 minus 0.8413, and I just need a calculator to do this. And 1 minus 0.8413 gives us, so this shaded region is equal to 0.1587. And this question asks us, what is the expected number of rejected nut bolts if the diameter in a batch of 15,000 are normally distributed? So what we're going to do is we're going to add these shaded regions, the probability of the shaded regions, which is going to be 0.0013 plus 0.1587, which gives us plus 0.0013, and it gives us a value of 0.16. So the probability that the nuts are going to be the nuts are going to have a diameter less than 1.97, and the diameter that's greater than 2.01 is going to be 0.16. So we're going to multiply that 0.16 by the total number of the bolts that is produced, and that will give us, multiplied by 15,000, and that will give us a value of 2,400. So 2,400 bolts are rejected.